Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Welcome back, Whitley Green, A Man Called Whitley, Season 5. All right. I'd like to take this time to thank the subscribers, those who aren't subscribed, those who leave comments, good or bad. Appreciate it. Got a lot going on, don't I? Starting here, this is hideous. It grew 2-3 feet tall, something like that. I can't tell you what it is right now. I have no idea. All right. Salvias. Of course, they have shown up and they show out every year, especially early on. I plan on moving this one over to the right. There'll be some changes. Some changes. Change is good. All right. Rose bushes. They look good. My plans this year, I don't know. I'll just go with the flow and figure things out. Got the old man's pickup truck. Rest in peace, love always. Plan on putting it in the shop. Want to make the necessary repairs inside out. Can't wait to use it on a consistent basis. Let's take a look at the north side of the house now. Okay, nothing new. Marble chips, old black wood mulch, in-ground solar lights. They are still here. Still here. I'm grateful for that. They're still here. I wonder why. Got this camera up. No political commentary. No political commentary. Won't be doing it this year. I'm just grateful that my lights, these old ones, are in the ground. Fence still looks good. Still up. Brought the big guns out. Menards lawn bag. 30 gallon, something like that. You guys know I love these bags. It's time to pull some weeds. Get some work done. You know why I do it like this? To stop the spread of weeds. I can get my lawnmower, cut the grass, but the clippings from the weeds will get back in the ground. And one day soon, I'll look up and weeds will take over my lawn. So this is the best way to do it. Now time to give the front yard its first mow of the season. If you watched my very last video, you know I talked about changing the rating I gave my Power Smart lawnmower. I reconsidered some things. What do you think, guys? Not bad. Not bad at all. Got to do the other side now. Looks good. Real good. Like what I see so far. This is a good sign. Real good sign. Real healthy looking too. That's always a plus. Have to remember to put this area on some type of schedule. Need to keep it as moist as possible. Some of you know I have the Works Trimmer Edger 20 volt. Does a good job. Great job, actually. Great job. It's going to clean all this up. Hey, what do you guys think of the high CU camera? Showing you from a different angle. Anyway, new homeowners, beginners, why don't you pick up a Works Trimmer Edger Blower Combo Kit? Easy to use, good price. You won't be disappointed. Even after pulling weeds, mowing, trimming, edging, using the blower to push clippings away, I'll get a broom, sweep the front, so to speak. That line was in a famous movie, real famous. If you know, you know. What do you think? No need to panic when your grass gets too tall or when weeds get out of hand. You just have to put a little work in. I want you guys to take a mental note of how things are now because they won't be the same once the season ends. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.